these panels, and they've actually got some different style size panels. We're cleaning this, gonna get all the stuff off of it. You can see spots and streaks inside and outside. This is really bad near the bottom. Right now it is a bit cooler, so we're not worried about quite as much stuff. You can see these tops are not closed all the way. So bring these down. Normally there's clips that you just slide in here like a regular window. We're cleaning panels out here today. You see these 4-season panels, or 3-season panels. They're really, really dirty. So we're gonna spray and treat them. I'm taking them all the way out since we're doing both sides of this. Good there. See a decent amount of dirt and dust coming off of these. So we're just cleaning this up. Pre-toured. Special attention to the corners. And done. This one's super dirty. You can see all the white residue on it. No matter what we do, these top corners don't quite get as clean as I'd like them to